Ini bukan eye bag ya. Hi guys, welcome back to my 2 episode of trendy makeup series with Carya cosmetic. So for episode 2, kita nak buat Duoyin soft pink makeup look. Make sure you guys watch this video sampai habis, okay? Okay, so first I akan start dengan brow kit Carya ni. Dia ada wax, dia ada concealer and dia also ada eyebrow. Ambil sikit, very wet and tak too dry. So you don't really have to macam, spray baru pakai. Ni tak payah. You ambil, terus apply on your eyebrow. Brow powder. Lepas tu kita fill in, start dari depan, buat je line sampai belakang. Ambil concealer dalam ni and I would just conceal je. I memang suka concealer Carya ni sebab dia sangat-sangat creamy. Glaze sekali je, dia dah cover dah you punya kening lebih-lebih tu. Next, dark concealer kan, untuk cover my blemishes macam dark spot, dark circle eye. I akan buat bahagian sebelah je dulu supaya korang boleh nampak perbezaan. This is before and this is after. Nampak tak? Dark circle, redness sini boleh nampak. Now I akan dab the cushion kat whole my face. See, when you dah conceal you punya blemishes kan, nak dab you punya base pun cantik, elok, tertutup je. I akan ambil this extra fair cushion dan dab bawah mata untuk highlightkan makeup I lagi. So that makeup kita nampaklah ada dimension, tak adalah nampak dull je. Pakai lip cream palette ni untuk my blusher. Now I dah settle with my cream base. Terus pat loose powder satu muka. Now is the time untuk pakai this Carya cosmetic rose glaze palette. I akan ambil this colour from here, just turunkan ke bawah. And then I akan buat V dekat bawah ni. Create a line kat tengah ni, bagi nampak macam button nose macam tu. Highlighter ni apply dekat tip nose, bridge nose. Ambil this bronzer untuk shading you punya cheekbone. Bawa dia naik atas so that pipi you lifted. Eyeshadow, I akan ambil colour yang paling lighter sekali. Apply all over my eyelid. I akan ambil this blusher colour. Apply dekat my crease. Brown dengan bronzer sikit. Then kita letak dekat bahagian belakang. Just like light je. Brown ni, bahagian bawah. Aegyosal kat bawah ni. This dark brown. Buat je balik eyeliner eye. Pakai the same eyeshadow. Blusher. Bahagian sini kita buat macam circular motion. Dia nampak macam pipi you bulat. Bahagian hidung sikit and tengah ni dagu sikit. Highlighter kat bahagian sini and then here. I almost done. Now I nak pakai the mascara on top of my lashes. For the lips, I akan pakai je lip cream dalam ni campur. OMG, that is such a pretty shade. Dia macam very nudie rose pink. Sangat cantik. Before setting spray, I akan touch up dulu pakai powder foundation for a more flawless finishing. I memang akan use this fluffy brush powder. Super fluffy and gebu sangat. Nak dab to whole face pun sangatlah senang and puas. Setting spray. So here is the final makeup look. Oh my god, I look so different. Who is that? I look different in a way I like it. What do you guys think? Love ke tak love? Jadi ke tak jadi? Usually I tak suka makeup look yang warna pink. But this palette, I tell you, tiba-tiba I macam suka pula makeup look warna pink. Yang ni palette baru I, and this is the old palette, my baby too. But guys, look at the packaging. It is so cool. And when you open it, macam sangat senang. It's very compact. Even I can bawa this for travelling. Like the reason why I suka this new collection of them, bukan saja dia punya eyeshadow je yang cantik ya. Like just look at all the things right here. This is their brow kit. It comes with charm also. Dia sangat-sangat cantik and comel. And then I have this like pocket holder, I guess. Comes with charm also so that you boleh sangkut on your bag. If you rasa this is like too long, right? Bolehlah cabut and then just connect yang kecil punya. Letak dekat you punya handbag and then make it as your touch up. Ingat yang kecil-kecil je ada. Tapi yang besar pun diorang ada juga. I love it. So that's the end for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I guess I see you on my next trendy makeup series vlog, okay? Bye!